Welcome back. Well, we're bringing you news now that the Indian market capitalization of all the companies put together has clocked 300 lakh crore rupees. So that's the big alert that's coming in there. And as we were focusing on the auto space, suddenly the markets as well have recovered. We were down 30, 40 points, 40, 50 points approximately at the start of the show. Now we're up close to around 20 points. And with that, the flash is coming up for you on the screen as well. Big bazooka move is what we're seeing. And that's why, in fact, 300 lakh crore is the total market capitalization. But Nimesh is with us on our special segment, D-Streer Chatter. Well, Nimesh, tell us, what kind of insight are you getting to dealing room chatter?
Forget dealing room, Nigel, but you tell me what you're going to buy. Eicher or Bajaj?
I'll have to sell the bike to
whatever, but what are you going to buy? Now you have all the three pricing, right?
I think, Nimesh, I'm still a little skeptical about what the on-road price will be. Everyone's focusing on 2.3, 2.4. So I don't know what that's.
I liked Bajaj's idea of giving some discount of 10,000 rupees for the first 10,000 customers.
Yes.
I think first 10,000 customers will just come in a single day.
Absolutely. I mean, the pricing is very attractive and much lower. People are talking about 2.8, 2.9. You come in at 2.3, phenomenal pricing out there. So things are going to be very competitive. And it depends. Appraisal is around the corner. Let's see. So you tell me, what about dealing room?
So again, Nigel, good day in terms of flows. I believe in the last half an hour there's going to be a small market at close basket buying as well. So maybe that's the reason why you saw a big spike in the last 10 minutes of trade. But again, it's been consolidating in at that record levels. The important feedback is while the mid-cap index today is up 0.5%, but the overall feedback is maybe there is some signs of distribution now, which means that at higher levels, some smart investors are like booking out, but the prices are still high just to attract some retail investors. So just need a bit of caution on the broader markets. That's the feedback in today's trade. As I said, buying has still been relatively better from the large institutions, and within that, the PSU basket still continues to be well bid. So that's one space which has really done well for the last many days, and that's something to be count on in today's trade as well. So net a depth consolidation, first signs of distribution in the broader markets, but the FI buying continues in select pockets, which includes the PSUs as well.
All right, Nimesh, and a lot of buzz that Nimesh is traveling across the country on the weekend as well. Is Nigel traveling with them? I said, no, I'm not part of that plan. But Nimesh, tell us, what kind of news are you picking up on individual stocks?
So in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list today is Nykaa. Middle of the day, there was a large block, more than 1 crore shares changed hands. And I believe some domestic mutual funds were buyer in today's block. So the disclosures could be important there. The second stock is Varun Beverages. This is one stock which has been really lapped up by a lot of larger investors. Again, in today's trade, the sense is there is aggressive buying in from at a leading FI. So the delivery volumes are going to be quite high in Varun Beverages today. The third stock is Patanjali. This is going to be interesting. The promoter holding is above 75%. They have close to 80 odd %, and they have to bring it to 75. So it looks like a large block, either through an OFS or a block, could come very soon. Remember, they are promoters, so there could be a pull-off, but the sense is that at least some buy-side investors have been reached out. So there could be a large block in Patanjali. And the last stock is Exide. For the last many days, this is one stock which is quietly moving up, outperforming the entire battery basket, so to speak. And generally, the sense is, while I've been reporting a few times that some domestic mutual funds are aggressive buyers, now there is a sense of some corporate development as well with regards to the lithium battery plant. So that is something what a lot of investors are eyeing for, and it's a big move in Exide in today's trade as well.
Thank you very much for that.